Hey everyone, it's Lydia. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, we're looking at the WORX Landroid Vision robotic lawn mower, model WR220, a game changer for lawn care. This wire-free, AI-powered mower is designed for yards up to half an acre, and I'm excited to share why it's worth your attention. Let's break down the pros, touch on a couple of cons, and see why this mower deserves a spot in your garage. First off, the setup is a breeze. Unlike other robotic mowers that require boundary wires or complex lawn mapping, the WR220 is ready to go right out of the box. Its 140-degree wide-angle HDR camera and advanced AI let it detect grassy areas and obstacles without any prep. Just charge it, set it up with the included charging station, and let it loose. This simplicity saves hours compared to traditional robotic mowers. The AI is a standout feature. This isn't just a mower, it's a neural network mower that learns your lawn over time. It uses over-the-air software updates to improve navigation and obstacle avoidance. Whether it's dodging your kids' toys, pets, or patio furniture, the WR220 recognizes and steers clear instantly. I love how it keeps my family safe while keeping the lawn pristine. Another big win is the multi-zone mowing. If your yard has separate sections divided by driveways or walkways, the included RFID tags make it easy to manage. The mower safely crosses non-grass surfaces to tackle each zone. Plus, the Landroid app is super intuitive. You can tweak mowing schedules, adjust cutting heights, and monitor progress from your phone. It's like having a personal landscaper in your pocket. The WR220 also promotes lawn health. It mows periodically throughout the week, producing fine clippings that nourish the soil, reduce grass stress, and retain moisture. This means a healthier lawn with less need for chemical fertilizers. And with the Fiat Lux headlights, it can mow safely at night so your yard stays flawless without daytime interruptions. Battery life is solid too. The 20-volt 5-amp-hour battery handles up to half an acre, about 22,000 square feet, on a single charge. The included charger gets it back to full power quickly, so downtime is minimal. For medium to large yards, this mower strikes a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Now, let's talk about a couple of cons, but don't worry, they're minor. The initial cost is higher than a basic push mower, which might give some folks pause. However, the time and effort you save, plus the professional-grade results, make it a worthwhile investment. Also, the app's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity can occasionally lag in areas with weak signals. I found that keeping the mower within a decent range of my router solved this easily. Overall, the WORX Landroid WR220 is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a low-maintenance, high-performance lawn solution. Its wire-free setup, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and customizable app make it perfect for busy homeowners. The eco-friendly clippings and long-lasting battery only sweeten the deal. If you're tired of spending weekends mowing or paying for landscaping, this mower will change your life. I definitely would recommend the WORX Landroid WR220, and you can grab it at the best price using the Amazon link below. Right now, Rick's Review Hub has special promotional pricing, so don't miss out. Also, check out our other videos on the channel for reviews of similar lawn care gadgets. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, keep your lawn looking sharp.